Hi. So it's a typical work day starting for us is opening the gate of the house and getting ready for the work day. Okay. Okay, so here's our location where we stage our car and wash a lot of our car. So today we have the Lexus, right here on the CRV. And this is a cruise that I'm going to prepare to list later on. And in the back, we have our Kia Sportage that we're going to prepare for today. In the back here, we have our Chevrolet Voyager that we're going to prepare to clean later on today here. Okay. So this is like a power washer, a regular hose, a vacuum over there, more of a hose to wash is more flexible. We have a couple of hoses here that we use. Here's the power washer setup that we have here in our station. Our workstations, we have power strips, power washer stuff here, portable charger for our portable vacuums over there, and this is kind of where we keep a lot of our supplies. It's a mess, but hey, it's a workplace. So this is where we keep our keys. Yeah. So right now I am preparing to deliver the Honda CRV to the airport. Here's the Honda CRV that I'm gonna prepare to deliver to the airport. I'm going to go grab the keys and I'm going to go to the airport to deliver it. Alright, we're going to choose the key that we need. I already washed this yesterday and I already cleaned the interior and took a picture of other car already yesterday, so it's all nice and clean. We do this floor mat so it doesn't get dirty when we step in. Everything is clean, sanitized, air freshener in the car, ready for the guests. We took a lot of pictures, especially the gas gauge too for the guests. I didn't show you the part where I got the ticket, but right now we're heading up to the SeaTac parking lot with the parking ticket to leave it there for the guests. So we're ending the parking lot here. We're going to find a good parking space to leave the ticket for the guests. And I want to park it a little bit closer to the elevator, so more like in the middle. So we're going to choose this parking space here. Okay. Alright, what we will do, this is the parking ticket for the guests. We will put it in the visor for the guests. We will send the guests instructions about 1 hour before the trip start date time. So this is starting at 10. So we will send the guest instruction at 9 a.m. We will put the key in this lockbox here. This is the key. We'll put it in the lockbox. Code set up already. We'll just scramble the code and we have this lockbox. Okay, so we'll send the guest instructions that their ticket is in the visor. They will need this to get out of the parking lot. Okay, and we will put the lockbox with the key on the front driver tire. They'll come and they'll grab it. We will lock the door here. And we will grab our floor mat, so we don't want it there for the guests. We want to use it so to keep everything clean for the guests, as we clean it already. And then we will take a picture of where the location we parked the car at. Okay, that's it of parking at the airport. We want to make sure we send the right location and the right instruction to them.